we doing?
Good.
Awesome. We're here at Skydive, Colorado Springs. You look like you're ready to go jump out of an airplane.
Yes.
You think it's a good idea?
Yeah.
Should we do this?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, I'm convinced. Let's go. Awesome, guys. We'll see you in the sky.
Okay.
And let's get out of this thing, go have some fun in the sky.
Let's get it. Here we go. Hey, we just landed safe and sound.
Yes.
How was that?
That was amazing.
We should do it again.
Yes, again.
Nice job. Thanks for coming to Skydive, Colorado Springs. We'll see you next time.